guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 1. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Hola Sibo bafethu niyazi bafethu ayanda mgidlana lokhulumayo well known as uKoke, the best analyst bafethu in South Africa nase-Africa.
VAR
Ngona go international. Siyabonga bafethu. Bafethu mesobheka iOrlando Pirates bafethu. Orlando Pirates midlala a very important game against Siwelele.
Yes.
Sibo yabona Sibo ama game aso.
Yeah.
At this stage, everything, the small details, they matter the most.
Yeah, they count.
Sibo Orlando Pirates in a generation yaga Riviero.
Sure.
The 3 seasons that Coach Riviero aga spendile Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
And those players, they were the players that were competing in the Mamelodi Sundowns throughout the 3 seasons.
Yes.
To a point which the same players last season they managed to go to last 4 ACAF Champions League.
Sure.
Those crew. And the majority of those players are still here at Orlando Pirates.
Wow.
The only players ababa hambisile kule crew leyo. That was key uNkotha engambala kakhulu. That was vital and regular in that squad. But the majority sasekhona bahambisa no riding nomabasa.
Yeah.
Okay, usale mikesangekho eteamini kakhulu esikhathini esiningi masangekho eteamini mikesa ku-orbit. See what I'm trying to say is mone call esebenzayo ungayimushi.
True.
Labantu laba, they know the pain of losing the league. I remember iPirates mayizoshawa iPyramids e-Egypt mabazobuya bazodlala eStellenbosch bashawa eCape Town.
Sure.
The pain in their faces. About Tito. They were broken still. You could see ukuthi yazini amandla phelile, knowing how much work they've put it in. And this season for mina angazibona bayibona kanjani. For mina I think ama player afana nabo Tito, ama player afana nabo Makgopa, ama player afana nabo Dlamini, they've got hang abanalento yokuthini sifuna ukubona this season kusoyenzani. We want to go there, we know the pain. We want to go there and win for ourselves regardless ukuthi coach megas coach ukhona rakasekho. We're gonna go there and win for ourselves because we know the pain. Uyabona mazothatha uTito umfaka, that is why ubona uTito recently perform the way perform ngakhona. uTito mfethu unehanga. uTito akathanda ukuluza. Mina ngimazi kahle uTito la eduze kwami la ethanda ukuluza le.
Serial win.
Le ayizwana nokuluza le idlalela iwin. And uTito makaluza kaso uzo that's why for mina I'm saying it now. Someone can come and argue. Tito is the most intelligent player at Orlando Pirates.
He is.
I'm putting it on the record.
He is.
Le game le nasingene gaming. Needed to Tito from first minute. You needed to Tito from the first minute.
As a start.
Lalela, Mbatha is good at winning the ball and releasing the ball, but is not good at circulating the ball.
Yes.
No mehluko. You can win the ball and release the ball, but you can't circulate. Awuhlanganisi. Dinga ukuhlanganisa. Tito.
Ekabumshishi.
Abantu abazohlanganisa. So Mbatha was very vital in this game. Mekayidlala role yakhe. Mekayenza lento efunakalayo. Awina amabhola, awanikeza uRayleigh, awina amabhola, awanikeza uApolice. But mokushoda yini? uTito umuntu ozobahlanganisela because once uApolice no Rayleigh baluza ibhola or babavala. Kuba nzima for Mbatha ukuthi adlale. Akazi ukuthi ayenzeni nebhola. And kula udinga khona uTito alirondozisa alibuyisele emuva kosibisa alilande, alibuyisele kuchain alilande uyangithola until ama passing lane avule ukuthi athola bo number 10 bakhe. And on that position yaka number 10 iPirates medlala ngoRayleigh idlala ngoApolice. Mfethu top notch. Top notch. First half they were all over Siwelele. Top notch. Yabona labo number 10 abayi2. Top notch Sibo. Le ama holding midfielder wesiwelele ayi2 badlala ama holding midfielder ayi2. And then between ama holding midfielder kulamo kudlala khona uApolice noRayleigh. Shuthi iback four yesiwelele, I midfielder yesiwelele. uRayleigh noApolice bamela. Sure. I made this position, they were operating it. I find I'm a midfielder wabo separated. Once you find it double pivot, one ayale, should qaqekile midfield. True. They can do whatever. That is why mobona Umurem athola ama-ball. Aloka athola ama-ball. Unfortunately Umurem he was not good. He was not good in terms of finishing. And also Uzamile even Nombatha umfakela Umurem ama-ball. Mamfela ama-ball, you'll find Umurem heavy touch, first touch yakhe by heavy. Or you'll find ukuthi Umbatha uyalifaka ibhola but li heavy uyangithola sibo kunento ukuthi unayo quality yokuphasa
Yeah.
but umuntu omphasela akakwazi ukutrappa ube nomuntu ukuthi ugood ngokwenza ama run but umuntu okumele akuphase akakwazi ukuphasa iyo iproblem mekhona uyangithola that's what they struggle with le click yokugcina baqala click iyo meyileka because even umbuthuma lisaka sub number 9 umbuthuma ne straka sub number 9 umbuthuma meyayenza irun it's a good idea to make a run but mele yenza bucket run uyigobe kancane and then make that run but uyenze run direct uyabona ukuthi ibhola li quality elizapha wenza run direct uba offside so izinto ezinjalo you need a bucket run sibungakhuluma Sundowns bazothi mina ngipheza ama player kumanye Pirates sibo ngikezi ngitshela ngithi lamachita mawafika la South Africa we must learn from them lama pass engikhuluma ngawo sibo wabonile izolo many times from uNuno phula ama festera but nalabantu bekabaphulela ama festera abantu abazi ukureceive abantu abazi ukurun but we not hear about Sundowns we hear about Pirates so ama chance amaningi Pirates wa creative and isiwelele the slightest chance they had isiwelele they got a chance first half ukuthi bakwazi ukora isaka sabo say waste bawina ibhola the way bawina khona ibhola kwi final third bawina ibhola ba recycle bangena ngorayile ngopule bakora which was brilliant for me 100% ngiyabonga
Antoine